2009 Chevy Malibu radio install. Start off by sliding this piece up, pop this up. Put the car in gear. It slides out. There should be two 7mm bolts. One right here. And the other's right here. And that should free this. You just get in there, grab it by your hand.
You gotta pop that part up there off too.
Line up the yaw. Disconnect that one. I'm gonna leave the top piece in. Should be able to just slide it down just a little bit. These bolts, 7mm. There's gonna be 6 of them. Bottom 2 is for your climate control. The other 4 is for the radio. I'll move that out the way because this slides up in there. And then I'm gonna lift this up just a little bit. Just not to pull that out. Disconnect the old wiring. Dual 7-inch. Don't buy this junk radio. I got the new radio wired up. The little buzzard actually works on it now. Now we just gotta fight, get them back in the groove. Where's that? 2, 3, 4. Put 7mm screws back in. Don't go full force if you're using a drill. Better do it. Sorry, I lost my socket. I got it there. Yeah, we went with the Pioneer DMH 100 Bluetooth. Seven millimeter on the nut driver. Tighten it by hand. Just like that. Pull this part back.
Oh, wait. Got the wire stuck. Hold on. Pretty much just got everything hooked back up.
I had to fight to get
All the pieces back on.
climate control and everything. Last two screws. It's a little tight, but get in there. And I'm gonna be running the stereo system, so I already got the remote and the RCAs that way I don't have to fight with it. So far I have them right here. I ran them right up to the back into the radio, and then I'm gonna be doing the rest of that. But from here, just slide this up in there. Move my electric tape out the way. And then it falls right back into place. After that, now we have full sound. The dual radio kept going out, but that's how you install a radio in a 2009 Malibu.